Indeed, there were proposals made in the past. So in terms of, I think before you can make a decision of this magnitude or make proposals, you have to present what the actual case is now, how it works, and some of the options that have been proposed. So we're going to be doing surveys, looking at what the public think, how they're electing their representatives, etc., as well as looking at several proposals that have come forth. So I can tell you off the top of my head that there was a proposal from Julio Romney, there was another one from the late Mr. Groeneveld, and there was one done under the former Prime Minister William Marlin, which had been sent back for reasons from the RMR, I believe. So all of the different options that are there as compared to what we have now. There's also been a great debate about the Lynch Law, which changed the way from how it used to be to how it is now. So all those options will be discussed within the public, and then based on public feedback, what is feasible, how they would like to see the representation take place, that is how we will then finalize the legislation to go to Parliament.